Hi, this is Manoj. The reason that I'm here today basically is to share my experiences with you as being a part of Advanced Studio for the last 11, 12 odd years. What I've tried to do for myself, or rather what I've seen the company also do for its own team members, is that create a hybrid module in terms of all these motivations, where you know what are your skill sets. You may not know certain skill sets of yours, but you are given enough opportunity to probably build them out. Like I started from sales with Advanced Hair. From sales, I moved into a different portfolio altogether, which could be that I handled the software development for the organization, handled data for the organization, got into digital marketing and marketing side of the aspects, designing side of the aspects. So over these journeys, what I was able to realize is there are certain skill sets that you always have, but you may not get the opportunity to probably execute those skill sets. But yes, I have been probably lucky enough to have had the platform to do that. So the journey also that I see for the company, when I joined in 2011, we were only 2-3 offices strong, but today we are able to control 11 locations catering to 2 countries, the Dubai region and the Indian region. So you can understand from that perspective itself that how exactly the journey might have been. But yes, if you are somebody who is looking to probably create a path for yourself, try to find new skill sets, we may be the right place for you. Thanks a lot for sparing this time to hear me out, and I hope we are able to talk again. Thank you.